बिरेस्तारा रातच्या वेळार वास्को दोगांचेर जीव घेवपी हल्लो जालो. हल्ल्याक जापसालदार आशिल्ल्या 3 जाणांक आयज वास्को पुलिसांनी अटक केल्या. भितरले 2 जाण कमी पिरायेचे आसात. हल्ल्याक बळी थारिल्ल्यांक ताबडतोब जीएमसीत भरती केले. एकल्याक डिस्चार्ज दिला. पळयात.
हल्ल्याचे कारण अजून स्पष्ट जावं ना, पण पोलिसांनी कलम 324-307 अंतर्गत खुनाच्या गुन्यांवाखाला 3 आरोपींक अटक केल्या. उणे पिरायेच्या 2 आरोपींक बाल न्यायालयात व्हरतले, उपरांत तांकां आपणा घरात दवरतले. 3ऱ्या आरोपीक अटक केल्या. जो कोणूय कसल्या गंभीर गुन्यांवांनी दिसून आयलो जाल्यार तांची आड खर कारवाय जातली अशी शिटकावणी वास्कोचो पोलीस निरीक्षक कपिल नायकान दिले.
16 तारखेर रातचो एक इन्सिडंट जाल्लो शांतीनगर 2:30 सुमाराचो. तातूंत भितर 3 जाण भुरग्यांनी, तातूंत भितर 2 जाण मायनर आशिल्ले आनी एकटो मेजर आशिल्लो. तांणी आनी 2 जाण भुरग्यांक शांतीनगर वचून तांची आर्ग्युमेंट जाल्ली आनी त्या आर्ग्युमेंटा भितर ताणें एकट्या मायनर भुरगो आसा ताणें एकट्या विक्टिमाच्या पोटाक चाकू तोपिल्लो आनी दुसऱ्याच्या हाताक लागिल्लो आनी मागीर ते थंयच्यान ना जाल्ले, एब्सकॉन्ड जाल्ले आनी हे 2 जाण विक्टीम हॉस्पिटलांत एडमीट केल्ले आनी थंयच्यान मागीर तांकां जीएमसी ट्रिटमेंट दिवपाक थंय शिफ्ट केल्ले. तातूंत भितर तातूंतलो एकटो जो विक्टीम आसा जाचें नांव मोहम्मद रफीक हो डिस्चार्ज जालो आनी दुसरो गांवस निलामुद्दीन सय्यद म्हणटो आसा, एज अबावट 18 years, हो सद्याक थंय एडमीट आसा, ताजी ट्रिटमेंट चालू आसा. सो आफ्टर ऑफेन्स ऑल द 3 accused were absconding, in which 2 were minors. So in this connection we had registered the offence under section 324-307 IPC, that is attempt to murder, and we started our investigation and we were in search of the accused and we formed our different teams of LIB and officers, and yesterday we got the information, we were having the information that these accused are outside the state, so we are on the track of the accused. So yesterday we got the information that these accused persons are coming back to Goa, so we laid a trap in Vasco city and also outside the Vasco city, and we managed to nab them near the Coast Guard office yesterday midnight. So we detained all the 3 accused persons, in which 2 are minors and one person is major. His name is Rehan Tinwala, age about 18 years. So all the 3 accused are from the same place. So in this connection we had detained them and we had arrested Rehan Tinwala, who is major in age, and we for the minor accused we are producing them before the JJB, and thereafter we will send them in Apnagar for further action.
So what was the cause of fights?
Presently the motive is not clear because the main victim is taking the treatment and is not discharged. So once he is discharged and once we record a statement of the other victim who is little bit serious, thereafter we will come to know what is the, and in the same time, in the meantime, we are also interrogating the said accused to find out the motive of the assault. I along with my staff is maintaining patrolling and doing area domination in all the major areas where such type of incidents are happening, especially Mangur, Shantinagar, Sainagar, Varunapuri, New Wade. In these areas, I have seen that most of the rowdy boys and criminal-minded people are moving in these areas in the odd hours. So I have started patrolling along with my staff, and my straightaway message for those rowdy boys is that if they continue this type of offences, strict action will be taken against them. And I want to also tell them to them, and also the who are acting thinking that they are gundas, I have to tell them there is no any gunda in this Vasco jurisdiction. Only police are the gundas in this jurisdiction, and those people who will harass the poor people and innocent people, I will go strictly against them.
गोवा 365 खातीर वास्कोच्यान हिरू महाले.